In this exercise, we need to use the list comprehension to produce the list of all the letters in the alphabet, lowercase, from A to Z. But the catch is that we shouldn't type all characters. So one way to do this is to use the Unicode for every character. And Python has some built-in functions to deal with this. One is OR, and the inverse is CHR. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just going to say CHR in this case. So first, ORD. With help, we can see the Python documentation. We see that ORD will return the Unicode code point for the one character string. So ORD A would give us 97, and if we do ORD B, 98. And you see that all the Unicode code points are sequential from A to Z. So if we do ORD Z, we get 122. And the inverse of ORD is CHR. And if we try 97, it will give us A. And 122 will give us Z. So we can write an list comprehension by doing, we can write CHRX for X in range, and we will start from 97 up to 123, because 123 won't be included. So we get the whole alphabet. So this is the list comprehension we need for this exercise.